Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Eat Wonder. Today I'm going to share with you all part 2 of our journey from Delhi to Mumbai. In part 1, I had shared our journey from Delhi to Udaipur. In this video, you'll see our journey from Udaipur to Mumbai. So if you haven't watched part 1, I highly recommend you to see that first and then get back to this video. I have provided the link in the I button above and also in the description box below. So let's get started. We started from Udaipur at 3 in the morning and guys, it was raining heavily. Though it made the trip adventurous and beautiful, but I could not shoot much because of the rain. For a really long stretch of road, we couldn't find any tea shops. We badly want to have a cup of tea. Finally, we found a roadside shop for some tea and the tea was amazing. We have entered Gujarat. Now we are at Hotel Darshan in Vadodara for our breakfast. I'm sorry I totally missed showing you our breakfast. We had South Indian breakfast and this place was amazing. If you're traveling between Gujarat and Maharashtra, please be prepared for a lot of traffic jams on the highway. This is the situation during a pandemic. Just imagine the traffic you can expect on a regular day. And of course, the rain made it even worse. We left at 3 AM thinking we will reach early and relax, but no, that's not happening for sure. It's already 12 PM and we still have a long way to go. We are at Dreamland Food Plaza right now for our lunch. In this food plaza, there was Burger King and few other options as well. I'll provide the exact location in the description box below. You can check that out. We ordered from Burger King. We ordered 2 veg Whopper burgers and 2 cold drinks and some fries. I have tried burgers from McDonald's and KFC, but this was my first time from Burger King and it was really nice, very yummy and very affordable. This is the food plaza. We are getting towards Mumbai and the rain has not stopped even for a minute. Delhi to Udaipur was easy and fun, but Udaipur to Mumbai really needs a lot of patience. Finally, we are entering Mumbai. If you guys have any queries regarding our travel, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll answer them. We are going to check into a hotel for tonight and then move to a rented apartment tomorrow morning. So we have reached our hotel. This is Hotel Royal Orchid in Vashi, Navi Mumbai. I'll quickly give you guys a room tour. On my left is a wardrobe. There is a safe in there. Tea, coffee kit. A mini refrigerator. Though the room was neat and clean, since the hotel was shut for several months, the rooms were smelling bad. It was not very appealing. This is the washroom and has a full-sized mirror. Inside the washroom, there is a hair dryer, shaving mirror, and other basic amenities. Shower area. Now we'll quickly order our dinner. So our dinner is here. We have some veg hakka noodles and also some dal khichdi. There was no menu in the room. We had to call up the restaurant and ask for what all they have. And the food was pretty decent, but not extraordinary, or like it was okay. Next day morning, we have our complimentary breakfast here. Let's see what all we have. Actually, they gave us a choice, like we could choose 2 items. So we went for bread omelette and idli vada. So here is the bread omelette, and here you can see the idli vada. Decent breakfast. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care. Thanks for watching.